Hi, my name is Ashlyn and I'm going to show you guys these wireless headphones that I got from Amazon. Here's the box. These are Bluetooth headphones. They come with this little case, the charging case. Really cute little box. You open it and that's where you'll find the little earbuds. This is what the earbuds look like up close. They're just a simple little design. They have the silicone top so it won't bother your ears and you can wear them for a long amount of time. They also have touch sensors, so whether you're trying to increase or decrease the volume or answer a call or end a call, stuff like that, you can control it by just tapping on them. They are charged by a USB cord. You just plug this in to the case here, and then you plug the other end into the box and then the wall. And when they are charged, you will see a little light come on, signifying that they're charged, and they have a left and right symbol so you know which one goes in which. And yeah, these are super cool. I definitely recommend checking them out, especially with the holidays coming up. I think this would be a really good gift idea. They're super comfortable because they have the silicone on them. They sound really good too. Really easy to connect to your device. They're suitable for most like Android, smartphones, all that good stuff. Yeah, definitely check them out.
Today I'm going to be reviewing these HTC earphones. This is what the packaging looks like. Just comes in a little box. It's super cute and they're really small. On the back you can see that it takes a Type-C USB port, and it also has Bluetooth. It will support a stereo as well. These headphones are so useful if you're running and you want your hands free. They are wireless and they're also waterproof too, which is really cool. You also could set your phone down if you wanted and go 10 meters away from the headphones and they would still work perfectly. The sound quality on these are really clear and amazing. It's great. I love them. So now I'm gonna unpackage them and show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is the package that it comes in, and it's the charging case, so you can charge your headphones right from here, from this little port here. It comes with the charger, and it also comes with extra earpieces, so if you want to replace the little ear cushions, they come with extra. These are what the headphones look like when they're not on. They're really small, really discreet. Here are the headphones in. They're super comfortable. I could wear them for definitely a long period of time. I think they're great if you want to work out and you want your hands free. You don't have to worry about any cords and listen to music. I think they would be great for that. In all, I think these are really great and I'm looking forward to using them more.